I was a nurse from Saudi, like more than 18 years. Nangyari na kung anong gusto ko, what is in my dream, which is for the future of my son. Yeah. At saka, kahit sa totoo is nahirapan kami maghanap ng trabaho, but still, may pag-asa.
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! So ngayon guys, welcome for another simple catch-up in Finland. Yes! So, ngayon guys ay may makakasama tayo si Ate Leia. Okay, introduction. So, si Ate Leia ay
From beautiful province of Bohol. Yan na lang.
Yes, Leia from Bohol, from the beautiful province of Bohol.
Yeah.
Yes. So, ilang years ka na dito sa Finland, ate?
I came last November 7 with my family. So, 1 year and 1 month, I think. 1 year?
1 year.
1 year and 2 months.
Yeah,
Because I came last November.
So, 1 year, 2 months, ate?
Yeah.
Okay. Naka-adjust ka na, ate?
Honestly, still adjusting.
Okay.
Kasi nanibago yung klima, lalo na galing ako sa Saudi, which is opposite. Kasi from Saudi to here, which is hot, sobrang init sa Saudi, din biglang nakarating sa Finland, which is my first time. So, nanibago kasi sa sobrang lamig. Yeah.
Ano nakakatulong sa'yo, ate, para maka-adjust?
Okay. First and foremost is God. Kailangan yung nandoon yung sentro sa buhay natin, yung Panginoon. Pangalawa, nandito kasi yung family ko.
Okay.
Kaya I have a strength. Kaano man ang hirap na naranasan namin, still, nakayanan ko to. Dahil nandoon yung family ko, nandito sila. At the same time, yung within my batch, 24, kami na grupo is nandoon yung pagtutulungan sa isa't isa.
That's nice.
Nandoon yung very supportive. Kung may isa man sa amin na may problema, inaabot yon. At bawat isa sa amin, nag-ambag-ambag kami kung anong dapat gawin
Okay.
para ma-solve pa yun.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good, ate.
Yes.
How did you go to Finland?
I came here, Finland, as a student pathway. Yeah, then I came with my family.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ate, ano yung struggles mo sa first year mo dito sa Finland?
Okay, first and foremost is with regards with the dialect. Kasi nahirapan talaga ko yung pagdating ko dito sa Finland, di ko man alam pa paano pa sasabihin. Pwede sana kung okay sana kung English, no problem. Pero pagdating dito hindi ako handa. Hindi ako nakapag-prepare kung paano ako makipag-communicate. So, nahirapan talaga ko, honestly. Even up to now, still, I'm struggling due to these language barriers. But I try my best.
Okay.
Kasi kailangan kong matuto talaga. Kasi yun ang isang hadlang para sa amin. Nandito kami para mag-aral pagkatapos magtrabaho. Pero, which is, kinakailangan namin na magiging fluent. Kung hindi man magiging fluent, at least marunong kami makipag-interact, especially pag nasa trabaho na kami. In the, for example, sa hospital, hindi lang sa hospital, kundi sa bawat na makikahalubilo mo.
So, ate, ano yung work experience mo? Ano yung bago ka pumunta dito sa Finland?
Okay. I was a nurse from Saudi, like more than 18 years. I was working in NICU, and also here in Finland, I was proud because one of my colleagues, especially my head nurse, namely Kate Ramos, and my colleague also named Jelly, they are here with me, and I was very thankful from God because they are the one who give us strength. Na kahit pa kami ay nahirapan within sa batch namin, ni-reach out nila kami. Kaya sila ang nagbibigay sa amin ng strong. At aside from that, God is always with us. Hindi nila kami pinabayaan. May ginawang isang tulay upang kami ay hilahin kung saan kami papunta, kung sinong dapat namin pupuntahan na makapagbigay sa amin ng encouragement, kung paano kami magiging matatag sa sarili namin, lalong-lalo na sa sitwasyon namin ngayon na we're still looking for a job.
Yes. Anong favorite Finnish food mo?
Of course, which is my favorite from Saudi up to now, the same as always, salmon soup.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why I was very happy. Now I'm here in Helsinki. My best friend, they prepared salmon soup for us, which is with what we called sinigang.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is my favorite.
Oh,
And thank you so
yummy.
much.
Yummy din talaga. So,
Yeah.
ate, may hobbies ka na ba dito?
Hobbies. I think the hobbies which I have in Saudi is the same. I keep on singing. Aside from singing, to relieve my stress at home, I keep on cooking.
So, ano yung nakakatulong sa'yo, ate? Kasi, di ba, ang dark and ang cold ng winter, anong nakakatulong sa'yo during these moments na dark and cold during this winter?
Okay. Ang nakatulong sa akin is, I have to face the reality. Yeah. Kung ano man meron akong naranasan ngayon, I have to embrace it.
Okay.
Because that is what it is.
Kahit
And
na-
be motivated of what happened, of what is really going on.
Ano ang gusto mo dito sa Finland?
Okay. First and foremost, the reason is why we came here in Finland with my family is that first is the future of my son.
Oh.
Which is I can't forget from my head nurse in Nico. She told me because before I came here in Finland, Ate, always remember, be wise for the future of your son. That's why I'm here with my
Totoo
family.
naman.
Yeah.
Yung education dito.
Yeah.
Ano naman ang hindi mo gusto?
Ang hindi ko gusto. I think nothing.
Wow!
Yeah, I have to accept. I have to like it. I have to adapt
okay,
it.
okay. Nagets ko na, ate.
Yeah.
Na kailangan.
Really? I will
Maganda man o hindi, kailangan mo.
because this is my choice that I have to come here. So whatever it is, embrace it.
Yes.
Yan ang kagustuhan ko eh.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
nice, ate. Grabe.
Because of my family, because of my son. That's why I'm here. Yeah. Kahit medyo may edad na. Yeah.
Hindi, still
Yeah.
young.
Yeah. Still young by heart.
What makes you happy in the happiest country?
Okay. The first and foremost is nangyari na kung anong gusto ko, what is in my dream, which is for the future of my son. Yeah. At saka, kahit sa totoo is nahirapan kami maghanap ng trabaho, but still, may pag-asa. Habang may buhay.
So parang yung peace of mind mo, yun yung na okay na yung anak ko. Na
Yeah.
may magandang future siya.
Yeah,
that makes you
helps
happy.
me. Yeah, that would helps me to make me happy.
Yeah.
That's true.
That's
Being a mother.
True.
Yeah.
I understand that.
Yeah.
What makes you unhappy in the happiest country?
Okay. I was away from home, from my family back home.
Okay.
Yeah. But even though I keep on calling my mother, lalo na medyo may edad na siya, masaya na kami pag makapagtawag kami sa kanya. At higit sa lahat, masaya yung nanay ko pag nakita nila kami at nakita niya kami at tumatawag kami sa kanya. Lalong-lalo na pag nakita niya yung anak namin na okay kami.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, homesickness.
Yeah.
So, talaga, same din. Anong ma-advise mo ate sa mga papunta pa lang dito sa Finland or yung mga bago din dito sa Finland or
Okay.
papunta?
Para sa mga nais pumunta dito sa Finland or sa mga bago pa or balak talaga na pupunta dito sa Finland, ina-advise ko po sa inyo na before kayo magpunta dito, you have to think twice. Kasi hindi basta-basta ang pupunta sa ibang lugar. Kasi hindi natin alam kung anong mararatnan natin. But we still we still believe that kung anong nandyan sa puso mo, ano man ang mga hadlang, harapin mo yun. Kasi yun ang nais mo eh. Pero first and foremost, we have to keep praying to God. And we ask for His revelation if that is really the way God wants us to follow. What is in our heart. Yeah, we have to leave everything to God. Kasi siya lamang ang dapat magdesisyon sa buhay natin. Yes,
Thank you, Ate.
yes po.
So, Ate, parang nasabi mo na yung mga lessons or meron ka pa bang ma-share na life lesson that you learned when you came to Finland?
Okay, the life lesson is that tanggapin kung anong meron tayo ngayon sa sitwasyon natin at you have to embrace what is the reality na nandito tayo sa Finland. Kung ano man ang ating madatnan, go. Kasi yun ang nais natin eh. At saka, huwag tayong panghinaan ng loob na pag makaranas tayo ng mga problema, always remember God is always with us.
Ay, nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ate.
Yeah.
That's so nice. Grabe. Thank you so much. Yes! That's it. Thank you so much, Ate.
Yes, you're
Sobrang
welcome.
grabe, naka-inspire ka.
Yeah.
Sobrang na-touch din yung heart ko. Very positive and very,
Yeah.
talagang kay God talaga.
Yeah. And thank you also for being here with you.
Oh, thank you, Ate. That's it, guys, for today. Abangan nyo na naman yung next namin na series of Catch Up with Filipinos in Finland. Yan. And that's it. Remember, guys, you only live once. So, enjoy life, God bless, and take care. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ate. Thank you.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
From the pride of Bohol.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. From the proud of all.
Ulitin! Uy!
Cut! Hindi na proud ang Bohol